there, Travis here with Tim Daly Nissan. I'm actually the special project manager, and I'm standing here with Mr. Marvin, one of our main builders here on the Nissan NV van. We're going to prepare this van for the Utah Auto Show coming up in January.
My name's Marvin. I'm the main technician, and we're going to show you one of our biggest projects.
So what's the overall plans with this van? What are we going to do?
Four-wheel drive, 3-inch lift kit. We got wheels, tires, DVD player, hammocks hanging from the ceiling, roof rack, sliders. We got tent, TVs going on here. We have all sorts of good stuff going on. It's going to be one of a kind.
Now, when this van gets done at the auto show, is it something that we're going to sell? Or?
Oh, 100%. It'll be available for sale. You can buy it at the show.
And if somebody wants a van like this, to have something built out, can we build to order?
Yes, we can. We can build any custom van you would like.
So if I'm a customer, what's the process? Do I just come in and pick out a van and then go through a spec sheet?
Come
or
in,
what is that like?
pick the color, pick the van, either a cargo, 12 passenger, anything that we have available on these vans we could do.
So now the one thing that makes our vans unique is that we use Nissan parts. Right?
All Nissan factory parts on the four-wheel drive. That right there is a four-wheel drive kit. All Nissan components.
If I came in and I said, hey Marvin, I want a van, but I want it to look stock, but I want a Nissan four-wheel drive kit underneath it, is that something that you could do as well?
Pretty much anything. Bumpers, light bars, winches.
So this is the 2020 NV. So it's going to be showcased at the Utah Auto Show this year, the Utah Auto Expo. Okay, so we're now doing the transfer case.
Remove the two-wheel drive 12 shaft and add the four-wheel drive adapter to add our transfer case to our four-wheel drive conversion kit. So right now I added the transfer case, and this is what gives power to the front wheels when you put it in 4 high and 4 low. This is a Nissan factory that comes in the Titan XD transfer case, so it's a 3500. It's a heavy duty transfer case. This is what makes our four-wheel drive system work, is a heavy duty four-wheel drive kit. We just finished the 3-inch lift kit on the rear. So we added a 3-inch block, longer U-bolt shock extender. This is going to give it a nice stance. We got our winch, light bar, DVD player, heavy duty Avatar bumper. We're also doing a light bar on top right here. So today we're going to be installing the wheels and tires. We got a Method Racing wheel. It's a 20x9, as well as some Middle Ridge grapplers, a 35, 11, 50, 20 tire, all-terrain, World Pro, fuel wheels, Method Racing. You can go any brand you want, any tire, any brand, Mud Terrain, all-terrain, BF Goodrich, every brand out there. Four-wheel drive, bumpers, roof rack, DVD player, lift kit, wheels, tires, side step, custom build your own van, whatever you would like on your van.
All right, so what's the plans back here, Marvin?
All right, so today I'm gonna install a TV. It's gonna be a smart TV. You can watch the game live.
We're here to check upon the progress of this build-out. Yeah. Well, here he is.
I thought it was time
to
watch a movie.
It is a time to watch a movie. That is a
13-inch overhead DVD player. As you can see, it's actually pretty cool.
And it's hooked up through the speakers. All the speakers.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, you can actually hear it throughout the whole van.
Great.
And it's actually like a bench.
Awesome. Well, can you give us an update on what we've done so far? And
yeah. Let me show you what I've done. Oh yeah, so I also installed a 24-inch TV.
Oh wow.
Worked out pretty amazing, actually.
That's great. So there was a hint of something that we're going to do to this van that's not ever been done.
We are actually making a PRO-4X edition out of this van.
So we've never done a PRO-4X.
No, we have not.
Wow.
And the Pro-4X comes with better suspension, a little bit stiffer for off-road.
Sign me up. I love the Pro-4X. I have a Pro-4X truck myself. So the Pro-4X, so the shocks, the suspension, the sticker, all that's Nissan.
Yep, everything is Nissan.
Okay.
Stay tuned, guys.
Okay.
We're excited for this build.
Thanks, Marvin. All right, so we're at the auto show, and this is the final finished product. What an amazing van.
I'm excited to show you guys what it finally looks like all done.
So kind of take us through and tell us what you've done.
23.0 tent from my guys over at 23.0. Double bunk beds in the rear, so you can pretty much sleep 2 more in here. Probably sleep 5, 6 on the top.
You could actually take those seats out and put another set of beds.
Oh yeah, yes you can. You take the seats out, and we built some custom brackets that you can put them on the ground and actually sit on the comfortable leather seats outside of the van. You just pretty much take out your bunk beds and then you latch your seats back in and you're ready to go.
So we've got the roof rack on it. We've got the ladder with dual ladders. There's a ladder on the other side. And the one thing that's really, really cool about this, can we show them?
Oh yes. So Pro-4X edition with Pro-4X suspension.
Both a front bumper and a rear bumper from Avatar.
Oh yeah, sensors and everything, so everything is fully functional.
So tell me about the slide.
You can either use it to slide down your luggage. Kids could have a lot of fun while camping. Oh, okay.
So yeah, come on down to Tim Daly Nissan Southtown and meet Marvin. Pick out your van. So anything's possible.
3, 2, 1, and the kids are out of the van, and it's this is one of 350 vehicles that are on the showroom floor.